Hey guys, Colin and Jenny Watson in the house, and we want to do a quick video for our new distributors and new customers to show you how to properly apply the gel. That way you get the very best benefits as quickly as possible and you love this product.
And thank you for being a customer and or a distributor. We really do appreciate you.
Yes, we love having you as a part of our new gel family, regardless if you're on the business side or the customer side. So with that said, we're going to start with the applying the gel, the proper application of the gel.
For man and woman.
For man and woman, the first 30 days, because it'll change in the second month. So the first 30 days, you're going to apply 2 pumps of the gel. Let me take out my watch. 2 pumps of the gel.
This is the first 30 days.
To your wrist. And Jenny has a different application for some of you women, but bottom line is you're going to rub the gel for about 30 seconds to 1 minute into your arms, where you have veins.
Thinning
right?
skin.
Thinning skin.
You can see the veins in your body.
All right. So you rub it in. It gets fully absorbed within 1 minute. Basically, it says 10 seconds, but now the quantity. Right? So it's already fully absorbed into my skin.
So where else do you rub it in, Colin?
Right. So behind the knees, tops of feet, ladies.
For women, again, 2 pumps. And I can see a lot of veins here. So on the inside of my wrist is Colin, inside of the elbow, even up underneath the tricep because there's veins showing. For me, I take a little bit and on the back of my hands, look how veiny, for me, the back of my hands are. So I take the back of my hands, ladies, and you go right up underneath the neck. This side, right up underneath the neck. I also go out of my knuckle and go right under your eye. Do not get it in your eye. Underneath where that thinning skin is. And my esthetician is like, Janie, what are you doing? Your neck looks great. I know, it's the gel. And yes, she's using it. On the tops of your feet, under your knees, under your breasts.
Armpits.
And make sure that the best time to put it on is right after you've gotten out of the shower. And if you gotten out of the shower and you forgot to do this and you're doing it at night before you go to bed, some people say to scratch it first. So scratch it and then apply it.
Scratch your skin and apply. You also want to rotate spots every week. So if you did your arms for the first week, then go behind the knees for the second week, top of the feet, third week.
For the women, I'm telling you right now, every day don't rotate. Right here is a priority to me. Right here and here and here is a priority to me.
And then the rest of your body you can rotate. So women, you have actually some more spots underneath your breast, underneath the armpits. Men, if you're shaved in your armpits, you can put it on your armpits as well.
Manscape, you boys.
Those of you who are manscaping.
So that's the first month, two times a day, morning and evening.
7 days a week.
7 days a week. Also, if you find that you're not sleeping as well as you thought you were going to because the gel is supposed to help with that, then you might want to take your second dose at 2 o'clock in the afternoon or 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and then go from there.
Right. Also, so month 2, you're going to apply the same way. You're going to do it 5 days on, 2 days off. So the first 30 days, you're doing a loading phase, if you will, to kind of get your HGH levels up as fast as possible. And then the second month, you're going to do 5 days on, 2 days off. And if you happen to be athletic, I want to add, if you're athletic, you're training, 4 or 5 days a week, then a third application is absolutely okay, and it's what we do. Just we work out.
Before you work out.
We work out, so we do 2 pumps in the morning, 1 pump pre-workout, 2 pumps at night.
And alcohol. Alcohol is okay. Here's the thing. If you're going to drink, the first 30 days, if you can abstain from alcohol, please do. If you don't want to, that's good too. You're going to, the last drink that you take, your last drink you finish, say it's at 10 o'clock at night, 1 o'clock in the morning would be the best time to apply it. It's up to you. So.
And sometimes you can wake up in the middle of the night, and if you wake up in the middle of the night, go pee, and you realize you hadn't put on the gel or you had a night out cocktails, just put it by your nightstand and just rub on the gel and go back to bed. So that's the last application. And this is it, guys. We want to make this video very short. If you are not getting the results you want, expect, based on the PDF you're going to get in your email along this video, it shows you what benefits you can expect each month. Please contact us. Do not just stop using the gel. I have the formulator and CEO of this company on speed dial. We can ask any question, any situation, get his expert advice. He's had his product on the market for 17 years. He knows he's seen almost every question possible, and we'll be able to get a direct answer back to you before you close before you stop using it yourself. Please, the gel. For some of you, because of the other ingredients, the other botanicals, you may feel really, really good, or you may feel a little lousy for a couple of days. If that's the case, drink more water. 9 out of 10 times it's because you're already dehydrated, and the gel is trying to work, but it's very difficult to work with a dehydrated body. So make sure you hydrate. Make sure you use the gel based on our instructions, and contact us if you have any problems.
And more importantly, I want you to contact us anyway. If you get good results, contact us. If you're not getting what you expect, contact us. The key is we want to talk to you. We want to see how you're doing. We want to know what your results are. That's why you're going to get this. If you by chance, this benefits list, if you by chance do not get this within 48 hours of you purchasing the gel, contact me, because I'm human. I might forget. Contact me. It is up to you. How bad do you want to feel better?
Absolutely, and we are going to be creating a private group for you customers, so you guys can ask us direct questions, communicate with the other customers on the team, find out what they're doing that's benefiting them, and what changes they're making that may also benefit you. That's it, guys. We love you. We appreciate you. Thanks so much for trusting us and becoming a customer distributor with us, and we're here to help you in any way we can.
Namaste.
Namaste. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.